Hey guys, this is our K5 number skills, page 23 and on the back 24. All right, and we're going to go ahead and look at this. We talked about ordinal numbers today. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth. You can see this little boy is first in line. This one's second, third, fourth, and fifth in line. All right, so number one says start at the left, which we know left is over here and right is over here. All right, start at the left and circle the fourth ice cream cone. First, second, third, fourth. We're going to circle that one. Number two says circle the one that comes next to continue the pattern. So this is our AB pattern. Black dog, brown dog, black dog, brown dog, black dog. Good. All right. This one says fun with numbers. Look on the back. Look at the picture. Count and write how many of each object you see. All right. So first let's start with the paintbrush. All right. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right here we write a 5. It's hard for Miss Hendry's big fat finger to write that 5 in that tiny box. So I'm just going to write it big. All right. Count the paint cans. All right. I see 1, 2, 3. Good. All right, count the crayons. I see 1, 2, oop, only 2. All right, count the easel. I only see 1. All right, friends, I hope that this helps you. Thank you for doing a good job.